In the previous tutorial, /posts/go tutorial middleware auth/, you built JWT authentication for your API, but we stored users in memory. They disappear when the server restarts. It is time to use a real database. Let's break it down. sqlx is a library that extends database/SQL. It adds features without changing the interface. Install sqlx and the PostgreSQL driver. Connecting to PostgreSQL first, make sure you have PostgreSQL running. You can use Docker. Now connect with sqlx. sqlx connect opens the connection and pings the database. If either fails, it returns an error. Defining structs map database columns to go structs with the DB tag. The DB tag tells sqlx which column maps to which field. The JSON tag controls JSON serialization. We use JSON - for the password field so it never appears in API responses. CRUD operations create. Insert a row $1, $2, $3 are parameter placeholders for PostgreSQL. Never use fmt sprint to build queries. That opens you to SQL injection. Returning is a PostgreSQL feature that returns the inserted row. Named queries sqlx supports named parameters using struct fields. Named queries use field_name instead of $1, $2. The values come from the struct's DB tags. This is cleaner when you have many parameters. Transactions ensure that multiple operations succeed or fail together. If the post insert fails, the user insert is also rolled back. Both operations succeed or neither does. Connection pooling sqlx.db and sql.db manages a pool of connections automatically. Configure it for production. Max open cons limits total connections to the database. Set this based on your database plan. Complete example. API with database here is a complete GIN API with sqlx. sqlx versus GORM. When to use each. Use sqlx when you want full control over your SQL, care about performance, or have complex queries. Most Go teams prefer sqlx. Use GORM when you want rapid prototyping, auto migrations, and do not mind giving up some control. Common mistakes 1. Using string formatting for queries. Always use parameterized queries.